how to set up subscription on Squarespace. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your Squarespace website, and on the left hand side panel you will be able to find different options. Simply select the option of selling, and over here you will be able to find the option of products. Simply select products, and over here you will be able to find different products. You can go to the settings of your products and make changes to it. Now for this video, let's see how we can create a new product for subscription. Suppose I want to create a service and it should be on the subscription model, so I will just simply select the option of services on the top and then click on this option of add service. After that, let it load, and this way it will ask you to provide some more information about this particular service. So let's name it as YouTube help, and we can add the description to it as well. We can add additional info. We can give it we can give it an image, and we can set the price for it like 1000 rupees, and we can select whether it is on sale or not, and also we can also determine its limited stocks or it is unlimited stock. If you want to set a stock limit, just simply uncheck it, and this way just type the amount of stock that is available and that you want to sell. So when you scroll down further, at the bottom of this particular screen where it says checkout, you would be able to find this option of subscription. So it will be charging the customers on a recurring basis. If you select this particular option, simply click on it, then you would be able to select the period and period or time period for this particular subscription. Just select it accordingly, and you can select whether you want it twice a month. Simply select month over here, then type 2 over here. This way people will be charged, and you can also select whether this particular subscription expires or not. You can do this particular option for each and every product out there. So this is how it will be working. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.